Okay, so this is the bathroom at my mom's house for Christmas decorations. Santa Claus, Santa Claus, Santa Claus. Notice a running theme here? There's Santa Claus towels, toilet seat covers, and washcloths. There's Santa Claus in here. More towels, nutcrackers, Santa Claus on the wall. There's even a hanging Santa Claus. And doorman. Can't even step on Santa Claus's face. Boom! So when we come out, there's stuff in here, which is coming out really dark because I don't know where this hallway light is. Oh, there we go. Hallway light. There's another door handle. Reindeer. Preview of the living room. Wreath. Rudolph. Well, look at that. Another Santa Claus and reindeer. More reindeer. Now we reach the snowman, your favorite thing. There's even a snowman throw pillow. This is on top of the fireplace. Snowmen that light up with fiber lights. Lincoln snowman. Here's little houses with people inside. There's little things that used to carol and move around, but I think that they've died since then.
No, they moved. You want me to put it on?
More snowmen. Another little house. They actually have people inside singing. Oh, look at that. More snowmen.
Oh, this is the den. This is snowman.
Just use the little pads in there. Oh, look at that.
Both of them do that.
This is a cross that Lauren made out of all things, toilet paper rolls. But it is pretty. TV stand. Snowman. Oh, look, more snowman. Snowman. There's some in the back you just can't see. I can't cut the light on. Hold on. You get a preview of the tree while I cut the light on. There we go. Alright, now let's go back to this again. Snowman and tree. Snowman and tree. Snowman and church. Shut this cabinet. Snowman! And finally, snowman. More snowmen. An entire snowman family. sled. Happy Holidays. Poinsettia. Dancing Children. Little Town. These don't light up, I don't believe. They might, but if they do, she doesn't have them set to be lit up. There are more things in the back. It's just the light. It's kind of hard to see all of them. I'm trying to make this quick because there's a lot of ground to cover. So this is the table in the den. This thing right over here. That thing actually moves and sings, and you'll see another one here in just a second. This is tree number 1, yes. As you can see, there are 2 Christmas trees. The kids put on all the little snowflakes right here. Excuse me. Let's see. Neat little wine rack with Santa Claus down there. More Santa Clauses up here. My mom loves decorating Christmas. Picture of the kids and Santa Claus and Lauren. These blink. There's more Santa Claus stuff through here. I want to say that thing makes noise. This tree right here, my parents made 30-something years ago out of ceramics. Before I was born. Poinsettia. Same thing with this tree, I believe. These are the same thing. These things were made, God, I was a kid. And my parents hand painted this nativity scene. And this is all ceramic. And there's a baby Jesus. And there's, more Santa Clauses. Santa Claus up there. These are some of the Christmas dishes. My mom has 2 sets. You'll see this stuff over here in just a minute. See, this is one of the shelves with the Santa Clauses. Like I said, you notice a running theme here. These are more houses with people and stuff inside. See, look, there's little itty bitty people reading stories. Oh, look at that, there's Santa Claus. He broke into the lighthouse. And that's my mom's phone. More snowmen and gingerbread men. This is going to be a long video because there's a lot of stuff. This right here, the Nutcracker used to do stuff. I don't know if it still does. Frosty Sings. These are kind of left up here all year long. They're just like tins and stuff. Oh, I take that back. My mom said they're not.
No, they're not. They come back.
Little cake plates. Snowman dishes. This is the one that actually works. That's enough of that. Refrigerator. There's even this display on top of the refrigerator. This used to be a bird feeder, and she pulled it off with the little spokes and made it into gloves. See? They're little gloves. They match up with the snowman's gloves. Oh, look at that! Santa Claus snowman on the shelf. That's why I never heard of Elf on the Shelf, because this stuff is normally common. Man, these are salt and pepper shakers, all of them. I don't know what that's called, but you know what it is.
Collage.
Butter nice. There's a variety of them. Little plate thingy.
You want to make him play? Right.
Snowman, huh?
You want to make him play?
Oh, I didn't know that he still worked. My mom's dirty dishes. See, look at that sink full of stuff. You see the little swirly things and the lights. Snowman. Snowman. So the Nutcracker still works. Here's the other side of Christmas tree number 1. Well, I got a feeling I'm going to have to cut a light on here in a minute. Show you the rest of the stuff real quick. Christmas tree number 2.
Have a cool Yule and feel good cheer.
That's the talking Santa Claus. It has a little sensor nub right there in the candle. Occasionally that will light up, but he will talk. Alright, let's go back over here. That Santa Claus snores. I don't know if the rest of these work. That one's reading The Night Before Christmas. No, it looks like a toy store display, doesn't it? Here's more Santa Clauses. Like I said, you notice a running theme.
Uh-huh.
Uno momento, por favor.